Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset your computer from BIOS. So the first method is you need to restart your computer. Then after you need to enter the BIOS setup. You have to enter your BIOS setup, you have to immediately press the BIOS key repeatedly as the PC boots. Most of the time the BIOS key will be delete key or F2, F10 or ESC key. You have to check it with your motherboard manual or watch the just go to Google and search for uh, BIOS key. Then after you have to locate the reset option. Use the arrow keys to or you can use mouse if you are in UEFI mode to navigate and exit tab or section name save and exit tab reset or restore default option. Look for the option name load setup default option or load default setting or load optimized default or reset to factory default option. Choose the option and confirm with the yes to reset BIOS to default setting. Then after you can select save changes and exit or press F10 to save and reboot your PC. The next method is you can reset the BIOS by clearing CMOS. This is a hardware method. So you have to power off your PC and unplug it from the power. Then after open the computer case if you are using desktop, or you can access the CMOS battery compartment for laptops. Remove the CMOS battery. You can find a round silver color battery on the motherboard. It's like a watch battery, a little bit bigger than that. Carefully remove it, and then after you have to press and hold the PC's power button for about 10 to 13 seconds to drain any remaining power. Wait for the few minutes. It will be around 5 to 10 minutes. Then after you have to reinsert the CMOS battery and close the case. Once you're done with that, you can reconnect power and turn on your PC. It will be reset the BIOS setting onto the factory default methods. And the final method is you have to go to start menu, then after go to power icon, hold your shift key on your keyboard, then after tap on restart option. So once it is restart, you can follow the method number 1 to reset the BIOS setting. So this is how you can reset your computer from BIOS, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.